It's official. The studio space is ready to launch. I'm going to give you guys one last look at the space before we hit go. Here we go. It's that time. Dwell Point Studios is officially live. You can find it on Peerspace. You can find it on Instagram. You can send us a message if you want to book. It's out there. We took the leap, we pushed the button, and now it's live and available to be booked by anyone and everyone. Figuring in the beginning, it's going to be a lot of my network, of my photographer friends, Good Ink community members, and maybe some of Donovan and Damien's network as well, booking the space. We haven't got much traction on Peerspace. The listing has technically been live on Peerspace for over a week now. Not much traction there. We weren't really expecting that. We were kind of anticipating and kind of waiting and taking our time to officially launch this thing, to do a social media push, to do some collaborative posts, to collaborate with Good Ink and other creators to really give this thing the push and to kind of officially announce it to the world. So I'm going to take you guys back upstairs, give you one last look at it before it officially is open, and talk a little bit about the space and some things that I like, some things I don't like, and some changes. And if you're seeing this, you're watching this, and you have any suggestions for the space, definitely send them over. Send us a message, drop a comment, whatever it may be. We're always interested in feedback for the space. So yeah, here we go. Let's go inside. So the one main concern I do have right now is the heat. And of course, it's probably the hottest time of the year. It's warm up here. I think this thermometer behind me, it says 80 or 93 degrees in here. I don't think it's actually 93 degrees in here. It's warm though. There is air flowing. There's a big vent here. So there's air flowing, there's air moving, there's lots of windows. But it's warm. This is the second floor of this building. Heat rises. It's warm up here. Have one fan going. We're gonna need more fans. We're gonna need to find a way to cool it off in here. Definitely gonna be recommending evening or early morning shoots. It's like 94 today, so it's a warm day. It gets hot here in Sacramento. Yeah, that's gonna be a challenge, man, no doubt. But something we'll be able to work through. I think just some air flowing, some more fans, maybe a cooling unit would help a lot, but definitely the heat is going to be challenging. One more thing we're kind of struggling with right now is what to do with this wall behind me here. It's got a nice window, some nice window light here in the corner. I like this corner. We have it kind of set up as like an art area station. Then we have this like love seat here. Not in love with this setup on this side. Obviously, Love what we have going on over here. Complete opposite of what's happening here. Don't love that. Just kind of using those props, the trees, the love seat, kind of as space holders for now. Definitely going to look to change and adjust that at some point. We will be getting paper rolls here for paper backdrops, so people can do, you know, backdrop shoots there. Thinking maybe of doing the same thing here on this wall, or doing something creative with this wall. But I want to take advantage of this corner here in this empty space and do something cool or creative here just to fill out the area. So the idea is there would be potentially this area to shoot, this area, corner, this area. So 4 kind of main photo areas just on this one side, plus over here got this really cool skylight, matte white backdrop with the black and white wall. There could be a 5th and even potentially 6th area here around the corner. So we are, like I said, ready to go, ready to launch. There's still a lot to do, a lot of changes we want to make, a lot of improvements we want to make, but we kind of just got to push the go button and just kind of feel it out and see how it goes and make improvements over time. The more people we get in here, the more feedback we're going to get, the more ideas we're going to get, the more refined this space will be. But for now, excited for what we have. Another challenge we're going to be having or run into is this is a shared space. So this side here behind me is the photo studio area. This side over here are artist studios. You can see kind of behind me studios that people have set up. So there are people here at different times throughout the day doing art, using the space as they need to create whatever it is that they're creating, whatever projects that they're working on. So there's, I think, 3 or 4 different artists that use the space from time to time. So finding the balance of having our area, they don't obviously overlap, but I think it can be distracting. It can be distracting for people who are using the space here on this side, and it can be distracting for them as well. So finding a nice balance and making sure that there's not a lot of overlap. We're trying to keep our people on this side and trying not to disturb what they have going on over there, and hopefully they're not disturbing what's going on over here. So that's going to be interesting, man, like to see moving forward. I don't foresee it being a problem, but it's just something that we'll have to kind of work with, and it'll, you know, I'm sure over time we'll adjust. But yeah, that's one of the things that we have to kind of think about, and that's unique about the space. What makes this space really cool. It's where a lot of the props and stuff that we've kind of used here in the space have come from the artists that are here and that have been here. So that's a major benefit, but also got to find that balance of like staying out of each other's way and making sure we can work this thing together, make sure we're not disturbing each other. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting. That is the space. Super excited for this thing to finally be live. We're not expecting a major push early on. We understand that it's going to take time. It's going to take building. It's going to take improvements, and really just getting the word out there, getting more people in the space, building a little bit of a community around it, a little bit of a culture around it. That's what I enjoy doing. So I'm super excited for that, man. Like, have some really cool events in mind that I want to do. Like I said, when I was up there, the heat's going to be a challenge. I'm sweating a little bit just from being up there. I was up there for like an hour. It's not like unbearable, but it's not comfortable at all. So, I mean, maybe we could, you know, sell the space as a, I don't know, like a sauna / studio kind of thing. Come and get your sweat on. But yeah, we're gonna have to make some adjustments. Like, it's just kind of, it is what it is. This is the hottest time of the year, so it's not the best timing as far as that's concerned. But I don't know, man. I'm just excited to finally get it up and get it out there, start to kind of assess what we have, understand what we don't have, fill in the holes from there, and just build on top of that. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, if you want to come drop by and check it out, definitely send me a message. I'd love to host you. Felipe, if you're watching this, I got to get you back in. I got to get you in the space, bro. I've been saying that forever. We got to connect at some point. But anyone else that wants to come drop in, check it out. Let me know. Love to have you. If you're interested in booking a shoot, send us a message. We'd love to have you as well. Rates are flexible, man. If you just want to try it out, send us a message. We can work something out. But that'll do it for this video, guys. Wish us luck. Fingers crossed with the space. Hopefully everything goes well. And stay tuned for more content coming here on the channel. Stay tuned for more studio content, maybe some more studio spaces. I'm working on a couple other projects. You never know. So just, I don't know, stay tuned. See what happens. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.